Hey guys, it's Oklahoma Emergency, back with another Lego video. Now I'm going to be doing engine 1, parked at station 1, basically runs anything it needs to. Can and will run anything it needs to. This is a 2014 Pierce Quantum, and so, I don't know, my voice just trembled right there. You got a Q siren, 2 air horns, intake, your headlights. These are taped on, and then your 2 red flashing lights, and then your light bar. On the side, see if I can fit this in, you have red light, turning light, it's a raised roof, doors that do open, another red light here, right there, another door that opens, a more detailed tank than most of my trucks. Most of my trucks don't have any detail in their tanks. So yeah, that's that. 2 compartments, just an empty space. Probably imagine there's a compartment there. Roll up. You have a hose bed up here, and then a red LED flashing light, or rotating light. Then you have a blue light and a red light behind these little poles. Traffic visor. Turning brake reverse, and then turning brake reverse, along with this little red and white stripe. On this side, you have your ladder is a functional coming down and back up ladder. So roll up, and then doors that open, and then a little different pump than that to that. And then the cab's completely the same. So that is engine 1. It's at station 1. Yeah. So until next time, guys. Bye.